Choose the connection method according to the mobile phone system. Click the CarPlay icon to view connection information. Turn on the phone's Bluetooth and find the corresponding Bluetooth name of recorder to connect and pair. And choose to use CarPlay simultaneously, then the phone and the recorder can be successfully connected. It can be set according to your own needs. You can connect earphones to listen to music and answer the phone. Click the DVR icon to enter the video recording page. Click the CarPlay icon to view connection information. Click the settings icon to enter the settings page. Click the Bluetooth icon to view Bluetooth connection information. Click the Android Auto icon to view connection information. Click the GPS icon to view latitude and longitude information. Click the sun icon to adjust the screen brightness. Click the camera icon to view the recording page. Click the speaker icon to adjust the volume of the host. P button, short press it to enter the real-time display of the cameras. Short press to return to the default interface. Long press to lock the touch screen. Long press again to unlock the touch screen. Up button, long press it to switch the recording page of different cameras. The cameras has night vision function. Short press to switch the left camera display mode. Down button, short press it to switch the right camera display mode. Short press again to return to the original page. OK button, short press it to enter the emergency recording state. Long press it to enter the menu page. Choose video playback mode. Long press the up button to switch the video playback page of different cameras. Choose the setting mode. Short, press the down button to choose the corresponding function to set, and there are a variety of function states can be selected. Enter the language setting mode, and you can switch different languages. Search for Sisto in the App Store to download and install it. Enter your phone's Wi-Fi settings page and find the Wi-Fi name starting with Motog or Sisto. Enter the password 12345678890 for connection. Then open the app and click the Enter Recorder. You can see the real-time image. Click the button in the upper right corner to switch the image of different cameras. When the mobile phone is connected to Wi-Fi, the wired controller cannot be operated. Click Online to view the files in the memory card. Click the button in the upper left corner to switch the video files of different cameras. Click Edit in the upper right corner to delete or download the video file. The downloaded video can be viewed and cropped on the local page. In the settings page, you can set the loop recording time, sound recording, and other function.